Welcome to a new video on this channel. This is the first video on this channel. We're starting a new channel. The first video on this channel is bike check, my bike check. I'm riding with the People NV frame 2012, 20.75 inch top tube, a BSD bar, federal grips, with the People stem, with the People fork, E-clad cranks. Also twisted pedals, E-clad front and rear hub. Yeah, so make a really nice sound. Federal pegs. Yeah, half-thing chain. I don't know the name of it. E-clad seat post. Riding a 2.3 inch back tire and a 2.35 inch front tire. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.